Hey guys, welcome back to the Sharpener YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at this Einhell 18 volt cordless chainsaw sharpener. Picked this up the other day with a bunch of other Einhell tools, and this is the one I am by far most excited for. One that I would use a lot because I have so many trees to trim and cut down around here that you could sharpen a chainsaw every day. And we also got a 3 amp hour battery that we're going to throw on it to use with it. So I'll put a link down below to any retailers who are selling this. Now my version is the bare tool. The starter kit came as a separate deal, but they probably have kits for it also. First off, it looks like all the Einhell stuff has this 90-day additional warranty if you register on their website. And then we have an instruction manual. So we got two things inside the box. Got your little chainsaw sharpener there. You see we got it tie wrapped together. Comes with a disc on it. Simple on-off switch. The battery goes on the back. Oh, spring loaded. Alright, from what I gather, we'd said something like that. We got the little guide thing here. It's got a nut on the bottom. You have, depending on what degree you need, your scale going both ways, because so you can just rotate it wherever you need. Have this little adjuster here. So you close, whoa, closing in on it there. Definitely probably something you want to bolt down or clamp in some way, because otherwise this gets a little hairy. Then you have your adjuster here for your tooth catch. I don't know what you'd call it exactly. But you got an adjuster there to go in and out. And then we also have a depth adjuster on top. You can see the bolt right there. It hits right there as you're coming down. So we got 3 different adjustments to play with. Alright, let's get a chain, get the battery on it, see what this sucker does. Got to come up with a little temporary setup for this guy so it doesn't go flying around when we're trying to use her. We got one in, that's good enough. This second one is too much of a pain to get in, and I'm not getting some other tool to try and do it. But anyways, there's no room for a drill in here. And we're not going to screw around. Chain time. Open this back up so we can get the chain in there. And tighten it down a little bit. Too much. Too much. Too much. There we go. Then we got our little stopper. So as you see, let's get you a little bit closer. So we got the chain and the guide here. Now you'll notice, depending on the tooth, it'll either have to be ground that way or that way. And they alternate, so this one's on this side, this one's facing the other way, see? And this little guy stops it from moving, so as you go to the next one, and you go to the next one, and just like that, right? But what we need to do is get that so it's actually hitting the right spot, and we're not just grinding in the middle of nowhere, which is this adjustment right there. We're going to screw that in, until we get lined up right. Now you also need to adjust your angle here. It's going to be different depending on the chain. You can kind of bring it down and see where it hits right there and get your angle. And 30 looks about good for this chain. Zzz, zzz. Remember, you're doing every other chain or every other tooth because they alternate. Now the last thing we need to do is the depth. So we need to go right about there. That's this adjustment up here. Ready to give it a shot. Now what I'm going to do, so I don't forget which one I was just at, we just did this one right here. I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to wrap this little twisty tie on it so that I know that one's already done. Now we're going to go all the way around the chain this way, and then we're going to flip around and do the other way. So we made it all around, and flip it over, start over again. Well, hopefully that gives you a little idea of the Einhell chainsaw sharpener with this 3 amp hour battery. Let's see, we sharpened 3. Look at that, perfect. We sharpened 3, a 16 inch, a 12 inch, and that Milwaukee pole saw is like a 10 inch or something maybe, I don't know. I'm pretty impressed with it. I love not having a cord. My little temporary setup will actually be good enough. I'll unscrew it for now. When I need it the next time, throw it back in the same spot. Anyway, link down below if you guys want to check it out. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like. Subscribe for another subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.